Hi, today we're going to talk about some low-cost upgrades to get your house ready to sell. The first thing you can do is paint your cabinetry in the kitchens and the baths. Replacing those things can be very expensive and can cost thousands of dollars. And for between $50 to $100, you can get the paint and supplies to make these look brand new. If you really want to make a great impression, you can even replace the front of the doors and the drawers in your kitchen. There are some great places where you can get some classic white cabinets for between $12 and $15 per piece. Update the cabinet hardware, so all of the knobs and the pulls in your kitchen and bathrooms. These can be purchased for between $5 and $10 depending on which style you pick. You can also get new electric and light switch covers. Adding new ones or even painting them the same color as the walls can be a really nice upgrade. And you can get them for about $1 or $2 a piece. You can really upgrade a house by adding some crown molding, panel molding, or other decorative accents along the ceilings, along the baseboards. You can even do this around mirrors to make it look like they have a frame around them. You can buy an 8-pack of 12 feet strips of this for around $100. And finally, you can replace your kitchen and bathroom faucets. This is something that really makes a room stand out, and you can get really nice faucets for between $150 and $200. The bathrooms are a little bit cheaper, and those are gonna run you between $100 and $150. So as you can see, not everything has to be a big production when you're getting your house ready to sell. There are a lot of really easy, inexpensive things you can do to make your house look new and modern.